In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize ClickUp for a clean, fast, and organized workspace. We're going to build a simple, scalable structure that keeps everything tidy and easy to manage as your work grows. Start by creating clear spaces around your biggest areas of work, such as work, clients, personal, or operations. Spaces act like high-level containers, so separating them by function reduces noise and makes permissions, views, and automations more straightforward. Inside each space, use a consistent folder structure. Pick a pattern that makes sense for your team, then repeat it everywhere. Consistency is what makes ClickUp predictable. When every space has the same folders, you won't waste time hunting for where things live or reinventing organization every time. Name your lists clearly and in a way that everyone can understand at a glance. Labels like tasks, projects, requests, or backlog work well because they're descriptive and universal. Predictable list names help teammates filter, search, and report without confusion. Keep your task statuses simple. A small set like to do, in progress, review, and done covers most workflows without creating clutter. Too many statuses slow people down and make reporting messy. If you outgrow this later, you can refine, but start simple and keep work flowing. Quick note: if you're new to ClickUp, I've placed the download link for the app and the website link right at the top of the description so you can get set up quickly. Use custom fields carefully. They're powerful, but only keep the ones you actually use. Do a quick audit from time to time and delete fields that no longer add value. This prevents bloated task views and ensures filters and dashboards stay meaningful. Archive completed work instead of deleting it. When a list, folder, or space is no longer active, archiving preserves history and keeps your workspace fast. You'll still be able to reference old projects and metrics without cluttering current views. Review your workspace weekly. Spend a few minutes cleaning up overdue tasks, reassigning owners, and updating statuses. This light maintenance keeps priorities fresh, prevents bottlenecks, and builds trust in your system. Finally, maintain your dashboards. Update widgets so they only show relevant active information. Remove stale reports, adjust filters, and make sure time ranges and statuses reflect your current process. A clean dashboard turns data into decisions. That's it. Following these habits will keep your ClickUp workspace clean, fast, and organized long term. Thanks for watching.